philomaths. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daphne and I am currently a senior at UNC Chapel Hill, and I wanted to document part of my student life. I thought it would be kind of fun to document my process, and I enjoy watching student type vlogs. So I wanted to share what I was doing. I am currently working on history. So I'm taking 5 courses this semester. This is my last semester and I am so excited. I am ready to be done with my bachelor's degree. So I'm currently taking 5 courses this semester. I may end up dropping one, but I may not. I don't know. I really like all of the courses that I'm in this semester. The 1 or 2 that I would drop, I have to take their core requirements. So yeah, but the electives I think I'll enjoy, hopefully. So today is a Saturday and it's almost 1:30, and I am hoping to finish my history readings, and I ideally would like to get through a rough draft of not a paper, but a short homework assignment. It's supposed to be 1 to 2 pages long. So I'm hoping to get through that today, and if I can work on other subjects, I would love to. I would love to work on an environmental type class I'm taking, and then if I have any extra time, I'll work on Spanish because I'm taking Spanish 3 this semester. So if I can get to that, I will, but the main priority is going to be history today because I do have something due by Monday and I have to read a lot and then I have to write. So my plan is to try and get through the rest of the readings. I think I have 1 or 2 left, maybe 1, and then I am going to sift through all of the notes and everything that I have, and then I'm going to start drafting a paper, a 1 to 2 page paper. So I will try to document as much of the process as I can, and hopefully you find it motivating or helpful. I know I like watching these types of videos to get me into a good motivation type mindset because sometimes I just get burnt out and I don't want to do it anymore. And yeah, so I'm going to, like I said, finish the readings and then write the rough draft. so I just put on this sweatshirt because I got a little cold. I just finished the readings. There was one that I didn't entirely finish, but it was more of a list. It wasn't a full essay or article or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the history paper, and then I'm hoping to either get to some Spanish or to the environmental related class. Hi, again. So today is actually Sunday of the next week. It's about little after 1 o'clock, and I haven't filmed in about a week because I got a little busy. I had some assignments I had to finish, and I was a little bit crunched for time. So I haven't been able to record and vlog and all like I wanted to. I planned on doing something each day and then putting it together, but that didn't work out. So yeah, I'm just gonna film what I can and then put it, like edit it together and then do that. But I finished everything that I was supposed to finish, and I'm now working on Spanish. I have a long to-do list. I'll actually pop it on the screen if I can figure out how to do that. But yeah, it's a very busy day, and I got 1 or 2 things done so far, but I need to keep going. So I'm on Spanish right now. I did a little bit of English, and I worked on part of the history. So I need to finish up Spanish, and then I'm either going to go to the environmental assignments, or I'm going to go back to either history or English. So we shall see if I get it all done today like I planned. I don't know if I will or not, but if not, I'll just move it to tomorrow. I'm trying to do as much as I can every day to get ahead a little bit if I can, because that will prevent me from getting more stressed later, and also it will give me more time to study for any exams I have coming up. So that's my plan. And also, quick note, sometimes I do post like real time study with me type photos or videos on Instagram. So if you are interested in that, I will leave a link down below in the description box to my Instagram account. I mostly just post stories on there, and sometimes I'm active and sometimes I'm not if I'm too busy and I can't post anything. But yeah, I do try to post something related to schoolwork on there. So I will leave a link, like I said, in the description box below. Okay, so it is now Thursday, and I have 3 exams coming up in February. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can get done that's not related to the exams, and then work on as much as I can to prepare for the exams. I worked on my Spanish some, so I conjugated some Spanish verbs and wrote them down, and I'll show you a picture of what I did with the verbs. We are focusing on a couple of specific verbs, so I just wrote those down. For other verbs, I did write a few more conjugations because I just want to make sure that I know all of the ones that I need to know, especially on the exam. So that way I can not only answer the questions correctly, but I also know what the sentences are saying in Spanish. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it gave you some motivation. and I will see you in the next video.